Back at it again with the Target dollar section fidgets. These again, they have so many. I guess it's perfect for back to school. Put it right on your pencil and fidget with it, or pen. This is really cute, a little vase that you can paint on. I kind of want this. Any more fidgets? Bracelets. Super pretty. I like the designs of these. I don't know who put these here randomly, but easier access for me. These are pencil toppers. Ooh, what? Pencil toppers as well. Super cute. Great for back to school. Almost didn't see these. I only see pink and purple though.